Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check the leap year. So we have to obtain the input from the user and we have to check the given year is a leap year or not. So what is a leap year? We will discuss the logic. So the Earth's orbits around the sun take 365.25 days. So the 0.25 days will yield one full day for every 4 year. That year is known as a leap year. So what is the logic behind the leap year? How to check this? We have to check if the year is divisible by 4. If year is divisible by 4 is false. That means the year is not a leap year. If the year is divisible by 4, then it is yes. Then we have to check the year is divisible by 100. If the year is divisible by 100 is no, then it is a leap year. The year is divisible by 4 and the year is divisible by 100 is false, then we can say the year is leap year. For example, some centenary years like 1900 are not leap years, so this is covered in this logic. So if the year is divisible by 100, that is true. That means yes, then we have to check whether the year is divisible by 400. This is also true. Then we can say the year is a leap year. Suppose is the year divisible by 400 is false. The year is divisible by 100 but not by 400. That means we have to declare the year is not a leap year. For this we are going to write a Python program. We will see the demo. I am declaring a variable year. Ask the user to enter the year. So integer of input of enter the year. I ask the user to enter the 4-digit. That's why I'm giving the format like this. The input statement display the string enter the year in the 4 by, that means the 4-digit of the year in the console. When user enter the year, input statement receives it as a string and in function convert it as an integer and stored it in the variable year. Now I am going to use the nested if statement in this logic, or we can say it is a nested condition statement. That means we are having a one if statement or if else statement inside the if block or an else block. The nesting will go continuously. Whatever level we want, we have to give a indentation properly. So I am going to use the nested condition statement or nested if statement to solve this problem. Now I am checking if year modulo 4 equal to 0. So the year is divisible by 4. The modulo operator returns the remainder. When the year is completely divisible by 4, I am writing another if statement inside the if. That means now it is an outer if. What I am going to write is an inner if. Here I am checking if year modulo 100 equal to 0. That means the year is divisible by 4 and the year is divisible by 100. So within this I am writing another statement if year modulo 400 equal to 0. So see here I am checking if year is divisible by 4, then that is true. In this case, if the condition is true, in this case the control will come to this place. If here modulo 100 equal to 0, year is divisible by 100. If this is also true, then I am checking year is divisible by 400. See, if statement followed by the condition and we have to give a colon. If the condition is true, the control will come inside the if statement and it will come to this if, that is year is divisible by 100 if year modulo 100 equal to 0 colon. If this condition also satisfied, it will come to the body of this if statement. I am having another if statement here. If year modulo 400 equal to 0 colon. If the condition is true, I am printing print value of the variable year will get printed followed by I am giving a string is the leap year. So the year is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 100, and it is divisible by 400. I am printing year is the leap year. The value of the year followed by the string is the leap year will get printed. So it is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100. Same time it is divisible by 400 means there is a leap year. So here I am writing an else statement for the inner if statement. For this inner if statement, what is inner if? Year modulo 400 equal to 0. So else means year modulo 400 is not equal to 0. That means year is divisible by 4 and the year is divisible by 100 and the year is not divisible by 400. That means I have to write the year is not a leap year. Print here is not the leap year. So year divisible by 4, divisible by 100, not divisible by 400 means the year is not the leap year. So when this condition is false, the control will come to the else statement. The else is the else of the inner if statement. We can say the indentation level. Okay. Then I am going to write an else statement for the first inner if statement. Else, that means this is the else of this one. Okay, year modulo 100 equal to 0. That means the year modulo 100 not equal to 0. The condition is false. This will come to this else statement. So year is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100. In this case, I am printing the year is a leap year. Print year for the string is the leap year. The year divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100 means this condition will become false. Then I am printing year is the leap year because the year is divisible by 4 alone is a leap year. Now I am going to write another else statement. This is for the outer if statement. If the year divisible by 4 equal to 0 is false means the year is not divisible by 4 because the modulo operator always return the remainder. When you divide the year by 4, the remainder is 0, then year is divisible by 4. Otherwise, the year is not divisible by 4. In this case, the year is not a leap year. I am printing print value of the variable year followed by the string is not the leap year. Now we will save the program and execute. Enter the year. I am entering year 1996. 1996 is the leap year. How this logic works? The year modulo 4 equal to 0. 1996 divisible by 4 equal to 0. It will come to this place and check if the 1996 modulo 100 equal to 0. It is not a 0. In this case, it will come to the else part and print the year is the leap year. So in this case, the year is divisible by 4, not divisible by 100. That is the leap year. So this is get printed here. Now I am going to execute the program again. Now I am entering a value 1900. 1900 is not the leap year. How it works? So the 1900 divisible by 4. Model operator 4 equal to 0. It is divisible by 4. And we'll check 1900 divisible by 100. This is also true. Okay. So in this case, we'll come here and check 1900 modulo 400 equal to 0. This is false. This is not divisible by 400. In this case, the control will come to the inner else statement. Here it will print the year is not the leap year because 1900 is a centenary year. But it is divisible by 4, divisible by 100 and it is not divisible by 400. If it is divisible by 100, the condition of the leap year is it must divisible by 400. The condition is failed here. That's why it prints, okay, it is not the leap year. Now I am going to run the program again and given another input. Enter the year, I am giving 2000. So 2000 is a leap year. How it works? 2000 is divisible by 4 2000 modulo 4 equal to 0, and it also divisible by 100. The 2000 modulo 100 equal to 0, and it is also divisible by 400. If the year modulo 400 equal to 0, so both the three conditions are true. Outer if, the first level inner if, and second level inner if both are true. That's why if we print the result here, the 2000 is the leap year. So we have clearly understand the logic and program in this video. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.